closure of any downstream.
Not just
Or-
no.
Yes, yes, we put it on one.
This is dedicated for the hips SD base, so it should be the inlet SD base, inlet hips SD base.
No, select the put alone.
Yeah, I mean, what is the cause? Why it will happen? Is
The downstream
Yeah.
close, either
Yeah.
valve or annual valve.
Yes.
And we say refer Hajop. We are not going to refer Hajop.
Yeah, refer to the.
Refer to hazard.
The node number one, high pressure.
Yeah. So guys, okay, what is the consequence of inaction? If we don't take action, what will happen? So now we need to understand on this alarm, do we need action? Action by operator.
What is the action? I'm not under this hips, yeah,
No.
close.
This is hips already. Yes.
So what is the action? I'm not understand. Khalid,
Yeah,
what's
No
your
action
opinion?
required from the operator.
What's
Because
your
this
opinion,
already
Khalid?
happened, Sharif.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying that if it is already there, so is there any action required by operator, of course, because operator has to intervene and do diagnosis. What I mean,
No, it's immediately action of the hips valve itself. It will
Operator
close
is-
and shut down valves.
yeah, operator.
It is in within few seconds the hips valve will close. So how can the operator respond?
No. But
For
see,
seconds.
once this alarm, operator has to take action. He cannot sit in the office. He will have to investigate the
This is
scenario,
investigate and
This is,
listen.
investigate and take suitable action. Action to restart.
Yeah, okay, just to investigate what happened.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there is action. So this is the operator consequence delete start.
That's
Yes.
okay. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
okay.
that's okay.
That's okay. This is okay.
So in this case, we'll have enough time because
Yeah. Yeah.
no search of actions. Just the
Okay. So guys, ultimately the consequence of this alarm, if operator doesn't take, it is a delayed start and loss of production, as per my understanding. Because the same now corrective
No,
action.
it is not
operator-
delayed start, the complete train trip.
Why delay start is not linked only to
It is
start
delayed
of
start.
So we say loss of
during
production, right?
normal operation. It will
Loss of
happen.
production.
Loss of production, yeah.
Okay. And operator has to investigate the scenario and take suitable action to restart the scenario, right?
Yes.
And operator response time, I think more than 30 minutes.
Yeah, because this is already from trip, right? So operator will need to
Yeah,
be investigated and yes,
Yeah.
take time to see what happened.
He will